Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today also discuss the organic chemistry. Under the organic chemistry, the nomenclature. Already you know this is the basic concept of the organic chemistry. Now in which way the naming of the organic compound, that will be discussed here, and this is on the base of the IUPAC, that is actually the meaning is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that is applicable from 1957. 1957. On the basis the international all this system, that means all over the world the organic compound naming in the basis of this International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that is applicable from 1957. That is I called the in general called IUPAC. Okay, so these are three basic thing of the nomenclature. One is word root, one is suffix, one is prefix. Very easy to understand. You just I say which one I say, you just clearly understand here. Root, word root, suffix and prefix. You already know that if the carbon number is 1, that we call the methane, meth. Carbon number is 2, that is called eth. Carbon number is 3, is called the prop. In this way, the carbon number is 4, that is called but. Okay, is clear to you? Clear? In case of carbon number 5, that is called the pent. In case of the carbon number is 6, is called the hexane. Hexane. The 7 is zept, 8 is oct, 9 is non, and 10 is dec. So this is the word. First you start it. This is called the word. Now the new two things are here. The new word is suffix and prefix. This is the basic thing. Suffix and prefix. Now suffix is actually the two part. One is the primary suffix, one is the secondary suffix. Don't to be panic. Just you see and understand. Which one you just say. Very easy to understand. Primary suffix actually under the bond. If there is a single bond, you already know this is the alkane. So the single bond. So ultimately this is N. You know already. Double bond, that is alkene. So Ene, the pronunciation is very important, and alkynes, the triple bond, so Yne. The spelling, the pronunciation and the spelling is very important. You write down this nomenclature or the naming of the organic compound. This is under the suffix, primary suffix. And secondary suffix. Secondary suffix actually on the base of the functional group. You know already discussed the functional group, and now the functional group linked with the carbon atom. That is the very important. The functional group linked with the carbon atom, only the carbon atom. So if the OH is attached, that is, you know, this is the alcohol, all. CHO, you know, this is the aldehyde, al, and COOH is called the oic acid, and other going on in this way. That is the ketone is there, ester is there. This is a very important thing. So complete the root word. Root means this. Meth, eth, prop. This is the third is prop, but, pent. In case of the suffix, the primary suffix is single bond, double bond, and triple bond. In case of the secondary suffix, is the functional group attached to the carbon atom. And the last is called the prefix. Prefix actually denote the additional substitution. Additional substitution, that is the alkyl group. Maybe this is the alkyl group, or this is a functional group, or this is a functional group, and their position, in which position they are attached. On the number, this very important thing is the number. So this is called the prefix. Suppose an example. Suppose C. So is the what? This is the root word. The longest chain. I just discuss later. Longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Longest chain. 5. That means the word root is word root 5. 5 means this is the pent. The word root. Now, what is the speciality of the substitution? That is the prefix. That means in the second carbon, CH3 is attached. In the second carbon, that is a very important thing. This is the lower part. I just discuss later. Why not this is 1, 2, 3, 4? 1, 2. Because this is always in the lower part. Lower, the smallest. If this is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the fourth position. It's wrong. From here you calculate 1, 2. 2 is the lower position. You just take in this way, this is the right process. So methyl, CH3 methyl group attached. So we write 2 methyl. That is the very important thing in case of prefix. Okay, clear? Now what is actually the final thing? Final name. First one you write the prefix. Second you write the word root in which the third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. Then the primary suffix. Primary suffix, you know, this is the double bond single bond, and the last one primary suffix, and this is the secondary suffix. Okay, here suppose an example here. This is the CH3 single bond CH3, and in that case this is the CH3 and this is the OH. Is clear? Is clear to you? And now first one, this is the priority is very important here. This is the priority in which you start 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. Both sides, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is also 1, 2, 3, 4. But you start in case of the this is the compare CH3 is the prefix and this is the OH. This also the prefix. Okay, but what is the priority? Priority is the functional group. This is all. This is the alkyl group or the functional group, but the number is denote. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 2 position and this is the 3 position. But if you just denote 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the 2 position. That means you write. That is actually in this way. If you write this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the position of OH? OH is third position. But if you just denote in this way, suppose this is 1 carbon, this is 2 carbon, this is 3 carbon, this is 4 carbon. So OH attached is 2 carbon. So the priority is OH, not CH. This is very important. Compare of this alkyl group and functional group. The numbering is priority. OH or the functional group is the lower position. So this is the right process. So OH is the lower position 2. Here is OH is the third position. This is the wrong. So we write 2 all. Now what is the position? This is the third position. If you just in the green color, this CH is the third position. Now what is the final? What is the final prefix? Prefix, that means 3-methyl. 3 number position. Third position is the methyl group. So what is the IPC name? 3-methyl. And now the word root. The word root is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So butane. And what is the prefix next? This one. Butane. What is the prefix name? 2 position. This is the 2 position. All. Now what is this? The prefix is 3-methyl. Word root is butane. Primary suffix is a single bond in. So butane or butane. Okay. And the last position is secondary prefix. This is the OH. Clear? So in this way, we thus complete this. Now, this is the word root. Here, word root, this 4 is the butane position. Okay? Longest chain. Single bond. All are the single bonds. So N. OH is the secondary suffix. O all. And the substitute CH is the third position. So this is the very important thing. So you just certain rule is there. You just practice in this way. You just write down this. Okay, no problem at all. Now here is clear to you. This one, this is the rule. Now what is that? That is the main organic chemistry. The rule. Rule is always you take the longest chain. Always you take the longest chain. Longest carbon chain is very important. Maybe this is the bend. Is not need to be straight. Here is C this. So if these are straight 1, 2, 3, 4, but is not need for the straight line. You bend it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the right. Longest chain is this. Here you just longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4. No. It may be bend. Is not need to be straight. Just to turn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is the longest chain. So what is the origin? This is the heft. 7th position. Is clear to you? The longest chain is always take the longest chain. First one, root. Now, here is the one position. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So heft, the origin is heft. But the alkyl group, here is you just starting from here 1, 2, 3, third position. But if you start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 position. So in case of the alkyl group, that is the suffix, this one the prefix, the lower position. So lower position means if you just write in this way 1, 2, 3, third position. If you write in this way, this is the fifth position. So what is the right? Right is the 3-methyl heptane, not 5-methyl, because 5 is the upper. So you take the methyl group is the lower position. So in that case, this is the third position. You take in this way the numbering, not in this way. So what is the right position? What is the right? Here is this C, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the CH3 attached here. So this is the right, because this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the lower position. So you write this way 3-methyl heptane. The rule is maintained. Prefix 3-methyl, word root is zept, primary suffix ane, there is no secondary suffix all this. So this is 3-methyl heptane, not 5-methyl. This is wrong, because 5 is the upper. So you take always the lower. This is very important. First is the longest chain, and where is the alkyl group is there, this always takes the lower position. So this is CH3 is the lower position, third number. From here you calculate, this is fifth position. Very important, this is the basic thing is very important. Suppose I repeatedly say this is C. Okay, so if this is C2H5, what is the numbering? 1. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So origin is hex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hex. But in which is the right position? Right position is this, because this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, 4, 5, 6. Because this C is the lower position, 2-ethyl. But if you just count down this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5 position, is wrong. So this C2H5 is the lower position. So it's starting numbering from here. Okay? For that reason. First is the longest chain, and in the alkyl group, this is the lower position always. Clear? Now, here is this other example. Very important. First thing, very interesting. Very logical and very interesting. Okay? Clear? Longest chain and the lower in the alkyl group. Okay? And single bond is in, double bond is in, and the triple bond is out. Here, suppose here CH3, C2, CH2, CH3, and this is this. So what is the longest chain? If you just calculate here, the 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. But here you calculate 1, 2, 3, 4. So write down always this. This is the longest chain. Is not 3, is the 4. So this is the longest chain. No problem. Now, what is this? This is 1, 2, 3 position. This methyl group is a 3 position. But if you starting from here, this is 1, 2 position. So you take here, because this is the third position, and this is the, if you just left hand side, this is the 2 position. So this is the right numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not here. Not this. This is 1, not this 1, 2, 3, 4. Because this is the third position. But if you just calculate, this is the second position. So this is the lower. You starting from here. This is wrong. This is wrong. First thing is this. You starting from here, because the lower position. Okay. Now this is the second position. So 2, 2. The position is indicate 2 times 2 dimethyl, because of the 2 methyl group is there. 2 dimethyl. 2 is the position. Carbon number position. 2 dimethyl butane, because the longest root is 4. Is clear to you? 2 dimethyl butane. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the both side, this is the position is third position. If this is your left hand side, this is the third position, this is the right hand side, this is the third position. So no problem. If you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No problem at all. Same. Now, this is third position. Now, this is the methyl and this is the ethyl. This is the ethyl. In the alphabetically, E is the coming first, then the N. So you write, this is the way. 3 ethyl first you write. 3 ethyl, 3 methyl. So E is the alphabetically the coming first rather than N. So you write, this is the C2H5 ethyl. So 3 ethyl, 3 methyl. The word root is 5 pentane. Is clear to you? Is clear to you? Okay. Now, certain example of this. Certain example of this. Now, you just write down in your home also. This is a very important thing. Next day, we just discuss the rather. Suppose an example. Suppose an example of this. Suppose here 2-3 examples are there. For that, just I write down from the exercise. What is, suppose this is here আচ্ছা এগুলোকে একটু মুছে দেবো তাহলে একটু তোমাদের বুঝতে সুবিধা হবে। ইজ ক্লিয়ার টু ইউ? ওকে, ক্লিয়ার টু ইউ? দ্য ক্লিয়ার বড় বড় করে লিখলে সুবিধা হবে। সাপোজ অ্যান এক্সাম্পল অফ দিস। ওকে, সাপোজ ইফ this is C, this is H, this is H. This is a double bond CH, this CHH. Okay, carbon two hands are there. This is carbon 2 hand, 1 and 1, and carbon 4 hand. So this is H, this is H, this is H, H, H. What is the naming? What is the name? Number 1, 1, 2, 3. Here is 1, 2, 3. Okay, there is no attachment, all are hydrogen. So 3 means the pentane. So this is a double bond. So this is pentene. This is pentene or 1 pentene, because the number 1 position is 1 pentene. TN, because the double bond. 1 pentene. Pen is 5. Propene. 1 propene. The third position, the 3, 1 propene. 1 propene. ENE, propene. Double bond is there. Double bond is there. In that case, suppose here is CH3, this is CH3, this is CCC, this is CH3, this is CH3, this is CH2, okay, CH2, CH2, and this is CH3, okay, CH. This is a carbon 3 and 1. This is a carbon 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. This is A, and this is this. Now, what is the numbering? This position. If this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that case, this is the fourth position. But in that case, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's starting in this way because the lower. Because this is the lower. Is okay. So what is the position of this? This is the right position. Position is this 2, 2. This is 2, 2. 2 position. 2, 2 dimethyl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane, the single bond pentane. This is the way of numbering or the nomenclature. Okay, so in this way you just solve it. This is very important. So next day I will discuss the other thing also. This is the double bond pen. This is the probe. 1, 2, 3. The third is probe. Clear to you? 5 is 10. Probe. So this is a propene or 1 position. If this is this position, this also the 1. This is 1 position. This is 1 propene, double bond of propene. Okay. If this is a triple bond, 1 propine. Okay. And here is the position. In which way the order 1, 2. তুমি কোন দিক থেকে নেবে? এদিক থেকে নেবে না এদিক থেকে নেবে? This is a very important thing. All are 5. But what is the position? In that case, in this position, this is the fourth position. And in that case, this is the second position. Total is 2 to 4. Here is 4, 4, 8. Total sum is lower. Okay, so for that this is the lower position. So if you just take it, this is actually 2 plus 2, 4. But if you take it here, this is a 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4 dimethyl. So 4 plus 4, 8. So what is the lower? This is the lower. So you take in this way or in this way, in this way. Because 1, 2 position. That is the right process. Okay. So in this way, you just nomenclature is starting. So next day, we just discuss the other thing also. It's clear? Clear to you. Thank you, student, for seeing this video. Okay. If you just understand, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you, student. Thank you.